kids, welcome back to another Toyscoveries video. Look what just came in the mail! This Playmobil set! And it comes with a motorcycle and a cool Playmobil person and a dinosaur. So the little Playmobil person is running away from the dinosaur. It's probably the Jurassic theme, but I have exciting news. We're gonna open it up and put it together, and we'll see what it looks like when we take it out of the box. So let's get building. So the box comes with this advertisement of the Playmobil movie, and it comes with this blue dinosaur that we saw in the photo, but it's already assembled, so there's not much to do for the dinosaur, and this leaflet with different Playmobil toys you can buy, and our pieces. So let's get this bag open and free all these little pieces and put them together. So these are all our pieces, and this over here are the instructions. This is a leaflet, and it shows you how to assemble the motorcycle and the little person. Let's start with the little person, the Playmobil figure. And he is mostly assembled, which is kind of weird because they usually come in little pieces and you have to assemble them. I've done a few of those videos on my channel, so if you want to take a look at them, I'll link them below. Let's put on his helmet, because he can't ride a motorcycle without his helmet. And let's put on his backpack. So we're gonna push this. So now that we've pushed in this yellow part in the backpack, it says to take this smaller part and put it over here. So now that we've snapped on this little part, we can put on his backpack. Whoopsies! There we go. So he has his backpack. He's going to need some gloves, some motorcycle gloves. And we'll snap one on there. And the other one on here, just like that. And after that, he's going to need his goggles. So we should take off his helmet actually, and then try to fit on his goggles. So we fitted on his goggles, and now we can put on his helmet again, just like that, so the wind doesn't get in his eyes or anything else. And after we've done that, maybe this knife, this sword, goes in the back over here. Oh, that's what it is. It's a sword pocket or holder. But now that we finished up our figure, our Playmobil figure, he looks like this. He's fully equipped. He has his backpack, his sword, his helmet, his goggles or glasses. He has his gloves on, boots, pants, a jacket, and he is ready to get on his motorcycle. But first, we have to assemble his motorcycle. It's all in pieces. So here we have the motorcycle. We're going to put the tire. We're going to assemble the tire like this. Snap this orange piece We have our 2 wheels. Done. We're going to take the bars and snap in this part. Like that. Oh, there we go. You should snap in the wheels now. One and 2. So we got 2 working wheels. Wow, it goes super fast. But we forgot the stand. So we're gonna take our stand and we're gonna kind of push it. With a small push, you're able to connect the stand. So the motorcycle can stand on its own. And then when you want the Playmobil to drive it, you just kick it up and it goes. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's put our Playmobil person to sit, figure, to sit, and we're going to take his hands, snap them onto the handles. Wow! He's on it all right. So just like the photo, the dinosaur is chasing the Playmobil figure. Roar! Oh no! And the Playmobil person is running away. Run, run, run! Drive, drive, drive faster! Roar! And that's basically it. We're gonna kick down our stand. And we're gonna put our dinosaur here because it's all pretend play. This is the end of this video. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun unboxing and educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys, bye!